The iPhone 15 has USB-C because Apple cares about the users and their environment. It's time to celebrate. No, the backstory of how USB-C ended up on the 15s shows that Apple could not give less of a flying frunky donkey of you or the planet, and also shows what would happen if Steve Jobs was a wire. Apple was forced to include USB-C on the iPhone because of a law passed by the EU last October. If not, the iPhone 15 absolutely would have had Lightning. Here's why. Hey, they're still selling iPhone accessories with Lightning. The normal AirPods, the AirPods Max, those pro wireless headphones using a cable shipped for iPhone. The freaking Magic Mouse, for those Macs with Lightning ports, I guess. I assume this is Apple trying to run out their stock of Lightning-based products before replacing them with Type-C. What a shame. Speaking of shame, stop playing with your prick and hit like and subscribe. B. Apple is hell-bent on jamming USB-C down our throats in their other product lineups. Remember those absolute garbage Touch Bar MacBook Pros and the 12-inch MacBooks? They began that saga all the way back in 2015 when Android phones still had micro USB. Why not the same dedication for iPhones? Well, it's because of how profitable Lightning is. They charge you right up the wazoo for the original cables. They intentionally make them fragile to keep you consuming and make an absolute shilling off the royalties paid by third-party manufacturers for the made for iPhone certification. There is no other reason, especially considering the fact that the company was involved in the invention of USB-C. They made it and they ignored it. Who do you think you are, Tim? Freaking Steve Jobs. Only he can ignore his creations. The company's refusal to switch to Type-C earlier, coupled with how terrible the Lightning cables were, probably contributed to tons of e-waste across the world. And when the company did take initiative to help the environment, what did they do? They removed the power adapter and provided a Lightning to Type-C charger starting with the iPhone 11. This arguably made things worse because all of the previous iPhones were shipped with traditional USB adapters. Most people don't have Type-C adapters lying around, so they had to throw out the older adapters and then buy new Type-C ones, thereby contributing to landfills and, coincidentally, Apple's wallets. So the one time they proclaimed to save the environment, they did it in a way that would add inconvenience to you and make you spend more money to buy stuff that's required to power the device that you just spent thousands of dollars on. They only care about the people and the societies, so as long as it's profitable. So the next time one of these companies comes to you with their holy moral missions, tell them to take their preachers and file it right up. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out why the Apple Watch Series 9 is trash and why the iPhone 15 is a scam. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.